Good evening, everyone. Warm welcome to this session by HRAI. Work from home, as we all know it, has stretched far too long, more than what each one of us expected. 17 months since March 2020, all of us have been working from home. The true essence of working from home brings in these three elements of communicate, connect, and collaborate. I would like to know from my esteemed guests as to what is that first thought that comes to their mind when they think of work from home in respect to these aspects. Let's start with our esteemed panelist, Mr. Vikas, first. What do you have to say?
So first of all, thank you so much for inviting me. My name is Vikas. I am the country head for Milestone Inc. When someone says work from home, I think the perspective has changed drastically for me. If someone had asked me this question in February of 2020, I would have said ridiculous. And today it has become a norm for us to a level wherein now we are planning to announce our organization way of operating, modus operandi being hybrid model. So from a complete denial to accepting and embracing the change for the betterment of the business, wherein now we can look at talent from anywhere instead of just being present in two cities of Ahmedabad and Bangalore. I think that is a radical shift that we have gone through in the last 17 months. So, and again, in terms of employee connect collaboration, we have come across a lot of new ways to keep the employees engaged and at the same time keeping the productivity pretty high. So it has been a very radical shift, I would say, over the last 17 months. And I'm looking forward to for a very fruitful discussion on Thursday. So please do come and join us.
Fantastic. So very well put. You reminded me of this famous quote, Vikas, necessity is the mother of invention, right? Yeah. Let's move on to hear what Umesh has to say in this respect.
Hi. I think one significant change which has happened over the last 17 months is the definition of work from home has changed significantly. It's no more work from home. It's work from anywhere. I think that's something which we need to accept. And the sooner we do it, the better it is. Having said that, it's also thrown up multiple challenges today for not just collaborating and communicating, but it's also controlling, because the more and more which we see, there is people have devised more than one way of dodging the conference calls, and network has played is one of the most common things which people keep complaining about. While it's a great thing to have, we need to also make sure that how was it that people are not taking the organization for a ride. And I think work from home, which was is an extremely desirable thing to have, is something which is here to stay, and we can't run away from it. So the sooner organizations accept it and put in systems and processes, I think the better it's going to be for all of us, the employees, the employers, and the ecosystem, and especially the home. The family needs to come to terms that we are going to be working from home. And I look forward to this discussion. Thank you.
Lovely, so beautifully put. Though we have so many collaboration tools, Umesh, but still monitoring, tracking, and getting the right productivity and output is still a question mark in many of these places. And yes, families do play an important role. Let's move on to hear what Charles has to say in this respect.
Thank you, Siksha. So I feel, celebrating life is something very, very important, even during the tough times. So when we connect with people, when we communicate, when we collaborate, I think, these are the three key elements where, end of the day, finally we'll get to know whether we are celebrating along with myself and as an organization as we grow. And so looking forward for the session on 19th of August. And thank you.
Lovely, such a beautiful thought, Charles. COVID has taught us to celebrate everything, right? Our wins, our losses, our family, our friends, our work, and life itself. Amazing. I'm so excited and so looking forward to 19th of August, 3 p.m., guys. Tune in to hear what the experts, the industry leaders have to say, Vikas, Umesh, and Charles. I'm so looking forward to it. See you there, right there. Take care, stay safe.